This is your password. It gets you into your home, your online life. It's the first step of security. But if your key is simple, smooth edge, no details, it's a bump key waiting to happen. Simple passwords are like simple locks. A child could crack them. Now imagine you use the same exact key for your gym locker, your diary, your online bank account, your social media, and many more. You lose your gym key, suddenly, the hacker doesn't just get your dirty laundry. They get your home, your secrets, and your money. The solution is simple. Unique keys for unique locks. Use long, weird phrases with symbols for your important accounts. And use a password manager that's your digital keychain, so you only have to remember one master key.